From chaos to calm. Ease into relaxation with Pure Romance's new HeLi Lavender and Chamomile bath line. From conditioning shave cream and nourishing body lotion to shower gel and bubble bath, scented with lavender and chamomile essential oils, these products turn your bathroom into an oasis. Plus, bring the serene state of mind with you. Introducing the new HeLi Refreshing Fragrance Mist. Infused with botanical aloe vera, chamomile, and grapefruit extracts, this exciting addition makes a light and refreshing body splash. Enjoy the powers of the marigold flower and lavender to help calm your skin. Find your inner peace today with Pure Romance's Healthy Living line. These formulas are paraben, gluten, and sugar-free with no added fragrance. Namaste.